Hello everyone, as you have created your very first project, now let's move to creating a new folder and sprint. Creating folder and sprint is an important tool for this Alian Hub. So let's walk with me. To create a new folder, first go to the project and click on the three horizontal dots. Then select create a new folder and write the name you want to create it. For now, we are adding the name as a design. Then press enter. Now you can see the design folder is created successfully. In the upcoming video, I will guide you how to create a task and track the progress of the project. For now, let's create a new sprint in the design folder. Click on the three dots and create a new list. Here list means a single sprint. Now enter the sprint name here. Let's add the sprint name as August 2022. Then click enter. Now you can see the August 2022 sprint is created successfully. You can mark as important by clicking on the star. So this is how you can create a multiple sprints and folder in the project. I hope now you will have an idea how to create a new folder and sprint in this Alian Hub. Thank you and stay tuned.